Hey everyone, welcome to Body Make and Health Management. I'm so glad you're here. Today we're tackling a topic that I get asked about all the time: carbs. Are they good? Are they bad? Should we avoid them completely? There's so much confusion out there, so many fad diets telling you to ditch carbs entirely. But trust me, it's not that simple. Today we're diving into the truth about carbs. Are they really bad for you? Let's find out. Chapter 1. What are carbs really? Okay, so let's break it down. What are carbs? In simplest terms, carbohydrates are one of the three macronutrients, the others being protein and fat, that our bodies need to function properly. They're our primary source of energy. Think of carbs like fuel for your car. You need that fuel to get going, to power through your day. When you eat carbs, your body breaks them down into glucose, a type of sugar that your cells use for energy. This energy is what allows you to move, think, breathe, basically everything. Now, you might have heard of athletes carb loading before a big race. What they're doing is filling up their energy stores with carbs, ensuring they have enough fuel in the tank to power through that marathon or that big game. It's like giving their bodies that extra boost they need to perform at their best. Chapter 2. It's not all created equal. Here's where things get interesting. Not all carbs are created equal. We have simple carbs and complex carbs. Think of simple carbs like quick bursts of energy. They're digested quickly and can lead to sugar spikes and crashes. These are found in processed foods, sugary drinks, candy, things that taste really good in the moment, but don't offer much nutritional value. Imagine that donut you're craving. It's loaded with simple carbs, and while it might give you a quick sugar rush, it'll leave you feeling sluggish and craving more sugar later. On the other hand, complex carbs are like that slow-burning fireplace on a cold night. They provide sustained energy over a longer period. They're found in whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and legumes. Think about a bowl of oatmeal topped with berries for breakfast. That's complex carbs at work. It'll keep you feeling full and energized throughout the morning, unlike that donut that would have left you reaching for another sugary snack an hour later. Chapter 3. Don't believe everything you hear. So if carbs are essential for energy, why do they have such a bad reputation? Well, a lot of it stems from the rise in refined carbs and processed foods, especially in the 1990s and 2000s. Remember the low-fat craze? Food manufacturers started removing fat from products, but to make them taste good, they added sugar, lots of it. This led to an increase in processed foods loaded with refined carbs, which, as we discussed, can lead to health problems when consumed in excess. Suddenly carbs became the enemy. But the truth is, it's not carbs themselves that are the problem. It's the type of carbs and the quantity. Just like anything else, moderation is key. Chapter 4. The role of carbs in weight loss. It's about balance, not restriction. Now let's talk about weight loss. Many people believe that cutting out carbs completely is the key to shedding pounds. But remember, your body needs carbs for energy. Instead of eliminating them entirely, focus on incorporating healthy carbs into a balanced diet. Look at cultures like Japan or those in the Mediterranean region. They consume rice and pasta sources of carbs as part of their regular diets, yet they have lower rates of obesity and chronic diseases. The key is choosing whole grain options, controlling portion sizes, and pairing those carbs with lean proteins, healthy fats, and plenty of vegetables. It's about creating a sustainable lifestyle, not following a restrictive diet that you can't stick to long term. Chapter 5. Good carbs versus bad carbs, making smart choices. So, how do you distinguish between good carbs and bad carbs? It's all about making smart choices. On the good side, we have whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and oats. We have fruits and vegetables packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals. And let's not forget legumes like lentils, chickpeas, and black beans. These are nutritional powerhouses. On the other hand, We have refined grains like white bread, white rice, and pastries. These have been stripped of their nutrients during processing, and of course we have sugary drinks and processed foods that are often loaded with added sugars and unhealthy fats. Instead of reaching for that white rice, opt for brown rice. Swap out that sugary cereal for a bowl of oatmeal with berries. Small changes like these can make a big difference in the long run. Chapter 6. How many carbs should you eat? Finding what works for you. Now you might be wondering, okay, so how many carbs should I be eating? Well, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. It depends on several factors, including your activity level, metabolism, and overall health goals. As a general guideline, aim for about 45 to 65% of your daily calories from carbs. But remember, this is just a starting point. If you're more active, you'll likely need more carbs to fuel your workouts. If you're trying to lose weight, you might need to adjust your intake accordingly. It's always best to consult with a registered dietitian or your healthcare provider to determine what's best for you. Chapter 7. Final thoughts. Are carbs bad? The verdict is in. So, are carbs bad? Absolutely not. Carbs are an essential macronutrient that our bodies need to function. The problem isn't carbs themselves, but the misinformation surrounding them and the overconsumption of processed foods and refined carbs. Just like anything else, it's all about balance and making informed choices. Focus on incorporating complex carbs from whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and legumes into your diet. Control your portion sizes and don't be afraid to enjoy those treat carbs in moderation. Remember, food is meant to be enjoyed. It's about nourishing your body and feeling your best. Don't fall victim to fad diets or restrict yourself unnecessarily. Listen to your body, make informed choices, and enjoy all the delicious and nutritious foods that the world has to offer. Thanks so much for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful and feel more confident about incorporating carbs into your diet. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who's confused about carbs, and hit that subscribe button for more health and nutrition tips every week. Remember, knowledge is power when it comes to our health. The more you know about what you're putting into your body, the better equipped you are to make choices that support your overall well-being. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe to Body Make and Health Management for more insights and tips to help you succeed. Thanks for watching until the end, and I'll see you in the next video.